onions with the hamburger, salt, pepper, my chili powder, and then I'm going to strain out that grease and then add in the rest of the vegetables then. So we returned our onions and ground beef back to the pot. I've got all of our peppers cut up here. I'm going to add those in. That was a whole green pepper. And then on the red and the yellow peppers, remember to save a portion of those, okay? Save a portion of the red and the yellow for the stir fry, okay? And then you've got your celery going in. And then I've also got some fresh jalapeno, and I've got some leftover garlic, so I'm going to throw, a little bit of that in here as well. A fresh jalapeno, half would be more than enough, a couple cloves of garlic if you want. Otherwise, you could also just put in some pickled canned jalapenos, or you could just reserve them for the top and don't put any jalapeno in the chili. Just depends on, your preference for you and your family. We'll add a little more seasoning into that as well. Look at all that nice color though. I love chili with all these vegetables in it. So our peppers and our celery are starting to soften up here. We're gonna add all of our canned goods in, our tomatoes and our beans and all that. All right, so now we got everything in here for the chili to start working. It just needs to simmer for a while. So we'll add the cilantro at the end again, just like we did in the white bean chicken chili. So now it just needs to simmer for a bit. So simmer down. When the chili is close to done, I'm going to make some innovative grilled cheese. We're just gonna make a grilled cheese to serve with the chili based on the extra buns that we have. You could do just regular white bread loaf if you prefer to do that and save the buns for the rest of the hot dogs. Serve a half of one or a whole one per person based on your liking. I just buttered the inside there. Just get them a little bit browned on that side. I'm gonna flip them over and then I'll cheese them and then I'll make the sandwich. All right, so our chili has simmered down. Good chili. Now we're gonna add in our fresh chopped cilantro. And one more thing I like to do, I just like to add in a packet of brown gravy mix. Just add the cold water like it says on the instructions. Just mix it together separate so you don't have to worry about getting any lumps of the gravy in your chili. And then you can just add it in then. I like to do that because it helps mellow out all the acidity that's in your chili. Plus it adds a little bit of body to your chili as well. Now we're gonna let that come back up to a boil again and then simmer for 2 minutes. And then we'll know that all the thickening agents in here have cooked out and the chili will be ready. I'm just gonna get our grilled cheese ready and our carrot slices. All right, so here we have our chili. So I made a nice bowl of chili, garnished it with some of the cheddar cheese we had, some of the green onions, a little bit of cilantro. We've got our makeshift grilled cheese sandwiches that we made from the hot dog buns, carrot sticks, and then I put jalapeno peppers out with mine, and I always put them on the side. That way everybody can just add them as they'd like. All right, meal 2.